Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? This your boy DZ, one African cutie, and you're now listening to my boy Bullet. Black and Beats vibes, baby.
Woo. Wanna ride tonight? Five Kings gonna ride tonight. It's a classic. Here we go. K-Young, Static. Five Kings gonna ride tonight.
I know you used to fellas coming round, selling your dreams, but they only bring you down. Got your own thing, don't need too much, nothing. Only the one thing that's hard to find, good loving.